Welcome to Research Rocks. Today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one something special related on my traveling. That one is a 5-in-1 multi cooker. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon, price €32. Which types of product I'm receiving, what is the advantage, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as an unboxing. I purchased this product exactly 1 month ago. They are delivering very long time. So this is our electric pot all-in-one multi cooker. So original product like this. So inside the product you can very easily cook any kind of meal. Especially I purchased this one to boil milk and cook Indian tea during the traveling. Just simply open here. Here is a magic booklet. If you have no idea how to use it, use the magic booklet and then fix. Okay. Now my box is empty. So inside the cooker you can very easily cook for 2 person Maggi or khichdi or rice. This is a small, fix properly, and they are providing this one. This one is for steaming. Look at this, like this. You can use this for steaming. They are providing this one is an egg boil specially. Like this. So you can fix here properly 5 eggs and you can put it directly here, and then it's very easy to cook egg. And here the electric cable where we fix this one here very easily like this. And after that you can very easily boil here the milk, Indian tea, and here options are available, minimum and here maximum. Quality is quite good, depend upon quality is a little quite good for the compared to the price. That one is a really affordable product. Some of the features of this cooker here: 750 to 900 volt electric power supply is needed, 1.9 liter, around 2 liters this cooker, and you can boil at a time 5 eggs and cook Maggi multi-grain, and you can use this one specially on boil your milk and make Indian tea. That perspective I am purchasing this 5-in-1 multi cooker, and it's really nice, affordable. During the traveling I can very easily use this cooker on my bag, on my car, and I can very easily put it anywhere, any plug, and then I can make my food and save money. This one is really compact, very small, lightweight, and you can very easily use your home or during the traveling. That one is a really amazing price, just only €32. I already added this link in video description. I purchased this one in Amazon. If you really like this unboxing, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.